How to fix do not disturb keeps turning on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on notification. After click on notification, click on do not disturb. If you want to fix do not disturb keeps turning on, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see do not disturb is turn on. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, you will see go back to home screen. Refresh phone. So that's how you can fix do not disturb keeps turning on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.